In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Arma 3 Ultimate Edition on your PC. So what we are going to do, open your Google browser, we are going to search it up first and then we will continue to another website to download it. So what we will do, quickly search it up at the Steam website and after that we will continue to another website to download it. So search for the game Arma 3 Ultimate Edition. And once you are there, you will find out that this game is €31.53 on Steam. Quite expensive, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money. What we are going to do, open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. What we are going to do now is search for the same game, Arma 3 Ultimate Edition. Click on that and search for it. Once you are there, select games on the left side. Then sort by price lowest first, and once you are there you need to search for the PC version and also a version which can be activated in your country, so this text needs to be marked green, that is very important. Once you have found one, then select it, and after that you will find out that we can already download this game for just €25.60 compared to the Steam price of €31.53. This will definitely save you a bit of money while downloading games online. And once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.